In a factory, one small mistake can become a big problem. What happens when a product is not good enough? Do you know how to say it clearly in English? In this lesson, you will learn how to check quality, find defects, and reject products in a real manufacturing environment. You will hear a simple conversation between a worker and a QC inspector. They will talk about problems like size, surface, and damage, and how to report them correctly. This lesson is for beginners working in factories. Simple English, real situations, useful every day. Let's start and learn how to reject products professionally in English.
Hello, Anna. Can you check this product for quality?
Hi, Nam. Yes, I will inspect it now. Please give me the sample.
Here is the sample from the batch. For Nam.
Thank you. Let me check the dimension first. The dimension is not correct.
Not correct?
Yes, the length is too long and the width is too wide.
Too long and too wide.
It is out of tolerance.
Out of tolerance?
Yes, it does not meet the specification.
I understand.
Now I will check the surface. The surface is not smooth.
Not smooth?
Yes, it is very rough and has a scratch.
I see the scratch.
Also, there is a small crack here.
A crack? That is serious.
Yes, a crack is a major defect. Let me check the appearance. The color is not uniform.
Not uniform?
Yes, the color is uneven. Now I will do a quick visual inspection. This product has many defects.
Many defects?
Yes, the dimension, surface, and appearance all have problems.
That is not good. Is the product acceptable?
No, it is not acceptable. It does not meet the quality standard.
So we must reject it?
Yes, we must reject this product.
Okay, we will reject it. Can we rework this product?
Let me think. No, we cannot rework it because of the crack.
Because of the crack.
Yes, the crack cannot be repaired.
That means it is scrap?
Yes, it is scrap material. Please move it to the reject area.
The reject area near the line?
Yes, next to the production line.
Okay, I will move it now.
Also, please put a reject label on it.
A reject label?
Yes, write the defect type on the label.
I will write the defect type. What should I write?
Write, crack, scratch, and out of tolerance.
Okay, I will write that.
Now, please record this in the QC report.
I will record it in the QC report. What details do you need?
Please write the part name, batch number, and quantity.
The part name, batch number, and quantity.
Yes, and also the inspection result.
The inspection result is reject.
Correct. How many defective units are there?
Let me count. There are 8 defective units in this batch.
8 defective units?
Yes, 8 units are not acceptable.
Okay, please record 8.
Should I stop the production line now?
Yes, please stop the production line immediately.
I will stop it now.
We need to find the root cause.
The root cause of the defect.
Yes, maybe the machine setting is not correct.
Or maybe the operator made a mistake.
Yes, that is possible. Also, the material quality may be poor.
We should check the machine and the process.
Yes, we must inspect the process flow.
I will call maintenance to check the machine.
Good. That is the right action. We must take corrective action.
Corrective action to fix the problem.
Yes, and also preventive action.
Preventive action to stop the problem in the future.
Correct.
After we fix the issue, can we continue production?
Yes, but first we must pass final inspection.
Pass final inspection.
Only approved products can go to packing.
Only approved products.
Yes, we must ensure good quality control.
Good quality control is very important. Thank you, Anna, for your support.
You're welcome, Nam. Good job to report the issue quickly.
Thank you. I will be more careful next time.
That is good. Always follow the standard.
Yes, I will follow the standard.
Great job. In this lesson, you learned how to check quality, identify defects, and reject products in a real factory situation. You also practiced important words like crack, scratch, out of tolerance, and quality standard. Remember, clear communication is very important in quality control. When you find a problem, you need to report it clearly and take the right action. Now, try to practice the conversation again. Speak out loud and repeat the key sentences. In the next lesson, you will learn how to accept products after inspection. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.